Hello students, today we will start our new chapter of MSc class 6 lesson number 4, stay healthy, stay happy. In this chapter it is explained that how we can stay healthy if we have to stay happy. Both the terms are interrelated to each one. If we will stay healthy, then we will stay happy. Okay, for this there is a first point, stay fit. In a case of stay fit, if we do regularly exercise, if we do regular exercise and get a sleep about 8 hours, sound sleep of 8 hours, we will become fit. Second, stay clean. We have to keep ourselves clean and germ free. Okay, so for this we have to wash our hands within a short intervals and use sanitizer as the situation of corona is going on. Next is stay energized. How we can energized? For this we have to eat nutritious meals and snacks daily. We have to avoid junk food like pizza, burger, noodles. Okay, instead of that we have to use dairy products, grains, proteins, vegetables and fruits. Next is stay away. Stay away from this, it is very clear that what we should not do. We should not waste our time on watching TV more than 2 hours and playing games. Okay, we have to avoid snacks and junk food and sweets. We have to eat less fast food. Next is stay safe. How we can stay safe at our home, at on the road or in the school. For these different safety devices are there. We should avoid playing football on road. We have to use proper safety devices when playing sports, bicycling or swimming. For example, we have to wear knee caps when we are bicycling. We have to use other safety devices when we are swimming. Okay, we have to cross the road on zebra crossing. We have to observe the signal lights. Okay, so that जो एक्सीडेंट्स हैं उनसे हम बच सकें. ओके बेटा. नेक्स्ट इज इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ साउंड स्लीप. वाई sound sleep is important for us students. If we will not get a sound sleep of at least 8 hours, then we will become lazy. Our mind will not work properly. We will feel tired. So how we can get rid of that? हमें उससे कैसे बचना है? And how we can get a sound sleep? Okay, for this there are some tips which are given in this page, on this page. Okay, first of all, there is people generally sleep better in a very dark room. If we want to sleep in light, we can't. हम लोग नहीं सो पाएंगे. अगर हमें अच्छी साउंड स्लीप चाहिए, we have to sleep in a dark room. Second, if we have any allergy problem, we have to get rid of it as soon as possible, so that such distractions will affect our sleep, and so visit a doctor immediately to get medicine. Next is write personal diary before going to bed. Okay, it will relax the mind in preparation for sleep. Take a bath before going to bed. It will also help to improve our ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Next is Avoid taking snacks at midnight because it will take some time to digest and it will also disturb our sleep. Avoid the habit of watching TV at late night. Avoid it. Go to bed at same time every night. Make it habit or make it routine. If we are getting enough sleep, we should wake up naturally without an alarm. Okay? If we get students, if we get a sound sleep, we should wake up naturally without an alarm. There is no need of alarm. If we feel sleepy way before our bedtime, अगर हमें पहले नींद आ रही है हमारे सोने के टाइम से, get off the couch and do something mildly stimulating to avoid falling asleep. तो हमें उस नींद से बचने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ काम करना चाहिए जिससे कि हम उसकी तरफ ध्यान ना दे पाए, हमारी जो नींद है वो पहले ना आए. ओके. क्रिएट अ रूम दैट्स आइडियल फॉर स्लीपिंग. ऐसे रूम में नींद लो जो अच्छे से कूल हो, डार्क हो और क्वाइट हो. जो हमारे मैट्रेस हैं दे मस्ट बी सॉफ्ट, पिल्लो सॉफ्ट हो. ओनली देन वी विल गेट अ साउंड स्लीप. So students, this is all about the chapter. I hope you will get it very easily and there will be no problem at all. Thank you. Have a nice time.